The Aula F108 Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard represents a significant advancement in gaming peripherals, combining functionality with an innovative design. Its tri-mode connectivity allows for seamless transitions between wired and wireless usage, catering to diverse gaming environments and preferences. The inclusion of a TFT smart display adds a unique touch, providing users with real-time information and customizable settings. This keyboard excels in performance, particularly with its mechanical switches that deliver tactile feedback and responsiveness essential for competitive gaming. The customizable multi-knob feature enhances user control, enabling quick adjustments to settings without navigating through menus. The Argb lighting system is not only visually striking, but also allows for a high degree of personalization, letting gamers tailor their setup to match their individual style. In terms of practical applications, the Aula F108 is well-suited for both casual and competitive gaming. Whether you are immersed in an intense multiplayer battle or navigating through a single-player campaign, the keyboard's design supports sustained use without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Its tri-mode functionality ensures that it can adapt to various gaming scenarios, whether at home or on the go. The overall design of the Aula F108 is both modern and functional, featuring a layout that promotes ease of use. The smart display is intuitive, providing essential information at a glance while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Additionally, the keyboard's reliability is evident in its robust construction, designed to withstand the rigors of frequent gaming sessions. In summary, the Aula F108 Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard stands out as a versatile and high-performing gaming accessory. Its combination of innovative features, practical usability, and solid design makes it a valuable addition for gamers looking to enhance their experience.